Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to share with you another beautiful cushion cover design. That here I have a green fabric which I am going to cut into pieces. The width of each fabric piece is 3 inch. After cutting all the pieces, I fold the piece in 2 layers and iron it like this. To assemble these fabric pieces, here I have a paper which is 14 by 14 inch. I fold this square paper and did a mark in the middle on both sides. Now I am going to start arranging these pieces in the middle like this, starting from the smallest piece. Place the third fabric strip and cut the extra. Pin it. Place all the fabric pieces until the area of the paper is covered. Cut the extra fabric to give it a square shape. To attach them, now I'm going to do a top stitch at the edge of the each fabric piece. After finishing the top stitch, complete the cushion cover, doing the side seam, attaching bottom of the cushion cover. I hope you like my video. Subscribe to my channel and hit the like button, and let me know in the comment below. I see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.